We're gonna do a quick walk around here on this Chevelle. Do a quick light operation as well, kind of show off the interior and exterior. Just gonna go ahead and fire it up. Once it's warm, it fires right up. Runs really well. Let's go ahead and see the lights here. There's your blinker, your other blinker. That's your high beams. Exhaust sounds just killer. There's your cutoff, battery cutoff right there. There's your blinkers working. Alright, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. If you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button. Or if you'd like a shipping quote, use the contact seller button. Good luck with the rest of the auction.